The iQOO Neo 10R positions itself as a compelling mid-range smartphone, delivering robust performance and a suite of features tailored for both gamers and general users. The iQOO Neo 10R showcases a modern design with a dual-tone back panel and a distinctive square-shaped camera module housing a dual-camera setup. Its flat sides with chamfered edges provide a comfortable grip, and the device measures 7.98 mm in thickness and weighs 196 grams, making it relatively slim and lightweight. The build quality combines glass and high-quality plastic materials, offering a premium feel. Additionally, the device is IP65 rated, providing resistance against dust and water splashes, and features shot sensation up glass for enhanced screen protection. The iQOO Neo 10R features a 6.78-inch AMOLED display with a 1.5K resolution, 2800 by 1260 pixels, and a 144 Hz refresh rate, delivering sharp visuals and smooth scrolling. The screen supports HDR10+, enhancing dynamic range for richer colors and deeper contrasts, and boasts a peak brightness of 4500 nits, ensuring clear visibility even under direct sunlight. Additionally, the display is protected by shot sensation up, offering enhanced durability against scratches and impacts. The iQOO Neo 10R delivers impressive performance, powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 processor. This robust configuration ensures smooth multitasking and efficient handling of demanding applications. In real-world usage, the device exhibits minimal lag, providing a seamless user experience. While the phone may become slightly warm during extended gaming sessions, this does not significantly impact performance, thanks to effective thermal management. Overall, the iQOO Neo 10R stands out as a strong performer in its segment, offering a reliable and responsive experience for both everyday tasks and intensive applications. The iQOO Neo 10R features a dual-camera setup on its back, comprising a 50MP primary sensor with optical image stabilization (OIS) and an 8MP ultra-wide-angle lens. In daylight conditions, the primary camera captures images with accurate colors and good dynamic range, though fine details may sometimes be lacking. The iQOO Neo 10R features a 32MP front-facing camera with an f/2.45 aperture, capable of recording videos in 4K resolution at up to 30 frames per second. It captures selfies with accurate skin tones and ample detail. The iQOO Neo 10R offers two RAM configurations, 8GB and 12GB of LPDDR5X RAM, which is approximately 33% faster and 29% more efficient than its predecessor, LPDDR5. For storage, the device provides options of 128GB and 256GB of UFS 4.1 ROM, delivering 100% higher read speeds compared to UFS 3.1. Additionally, iQOO's extended RAM technology allows for virtual expansion, enabling the 12GB RAM variant to effectively function with up to 24GB of RAM. The iQOO Neo 10R is equipped with a substantial 6,400 mAh battery, delivering impressive endurance for heavy users. In real-world scenarios, the device comfortably lasts over a day, even with intensive tasks such as gaming and photography, often retaining nearly 20% charge by day's end. Charging is swift, thanks to the 80W fast charging support. The device charges from 20% to 100% in approximately 40 minutes, ensuring minimal downtime. These attributes make the iQOO Neo 10R a reliable companion for users seeking long-lasting battery life and quick recharging capabilities. Pros: powerful performance, Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 with LPDDR5X RAM and UFS 4.1 storage. High-quality display, 6.78-inch AMOLED, 1.5K resolution, 144 Hz refresh rate. Long battery life, 6,400 mAh with 80W fast charging. Good camera setup, 50MP OIS primary camera plus 8MP ultra-wide. IP65 rating, dust and water resistance. Cons: no expandable storage, no microSD card slot. Plastic frame, less premium feel compared to metal. No wireless charging, lacks premium charging features. No telephoto lens, limited zoom capability. Bloatware in software, some pre-installed apps in FunTouch OS. Conclusion: the iQOO Neo 10R is a powerful mid-range phone with excellent performance, a smooth 144Hz AMOLED display, and long battery life. Its 50MP OIS camera is decent, but the plastic build, lack of expandable storage, and no telephoto lens are drawbacks. Great for gamers and power users, but not for those seeking premium design or advanced camera features.